Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 17 from Directorate of Education, that is from your chapter Atoms and Molecule, and today there is a new concept for you, that is mole concept. Gyan, how can we know the amount of substance in an element or compound? Jigyasa Di, the amount of the substance is based upon the number of the atoms and the molecules present in it. We can directly find it by the number of atoms or the molecule. Student, focus on that line. Here Jigyasa Didi explained that the number on atoms, amount of the substance. Which amount of the substance depends upon number of the atoms and the molecules. Okay, amount of substance depend upon the number of atoms and molecules. Got it? Next, the SI unit is mole. What is the SI unit for amount of substance? That is mole, which for amount of substance. And students, how many particles are present in 1 mole? This is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. And this amount is fixed. This is not change. It is constant value, student, and this constant is known as Avogadro constant. So 1 mole contain how much atoms or molecules? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, and it is called Avogadro constant. Got it? Let's move on. The mass of 1 mole of substance is equal to the relative atomic or molecular mass in gram. So what is 1 mole? The mass of 1 mole of the substance, whether it is of atom, molecule or ion, it is equal to the relative atomic mass. Got it? It is the definition of 1 mole. What is 1 mole? The particles can be atom, molecule or ions, and their value is fixed, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, let's move on to the mole concept. So student, here you got few information about mole of the substance. What is 1 mole of the substance? 1 mole of the substance, the value is fixed, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. It means 1 mole atoms, 1 mole molecules, everything is fixed, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Student, always 1 mole of substance is fixed, whether it is for hydrogen, it is for carbon dioxide, it is for water, it doesn't change, it is fixed, and fixed value is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay. Next, the mass of 1 mole of atom is equal to the atomic mass measured in the grams. 1 mole of atoms have mass equal to the atomic mass measured in gram. For example, if we have 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of oxygen, then what is the mass? Oxygen, for oxygen, that is 16. So here 1 mole contain the fixed atom, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. And the molar mass is 16 into 2 multiply, that is 32 U or 32 gram. Let's move to some examples. Before moving on to the example, first I want to talk you about the formulas of calculation, the number of moles and the number of atoms. Here are 2 formulas, student. Note it in your notebook. First one is number of the moles. If we have to calculate the number of the moles, the formula is W upon M, that is given mass upon molar mass. Okay. Second formula, number of atoms. For the number of atoms, the formula is W upon M multiply by Na. Na is here Avogadro number. So there are two formulas, student. First, for calculation of the number of the moles, that is W upon M, and second, for calculation of the number of the atoms or the number of the molecule, the formula is W upon M into Na. Na is here Avogadro number. Okay. Now move on to the examples. First example, number of atom present in 8 gram of helium. So students, in 8 gram of helium, we have to calculate the number of atoms. 8 gram. It is given mass, that is W. And we talk about helium, and for helium molar mass is 4. We have to count the number of atoms. So what is our formula? Very good. That is W upon M into Na. W is given here, M is given here, and the value of Na, you know very well. What is the value of Na? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. So our answer is 8 upon 4 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. What is our answer here? That is 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23. This is our answer here. Got it? This is our first example, how to calculate the number of atoms. Let's move to our second example. What is the mass of 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas? Here the number of moles are 0.5 and which for nitrogen gas. Mass of moles कितने हैं हमारे? 0.5 for nitrogen gas, that is 2 into 14 equals to 28 gram. That is our molar mass. We have to calculate the given mass W. So W equals to number of moles multiply by our molar mass, that is 0.5 into 28. What is the answer? 14. Gram. Okay, this is our second example. Let's move on to its exercise questions. First, student, define 1 mole of substance. This definition we discussed in the first paragraph. You can easily go through that. Second, can Avogadro constant be different for the different substances? No. It is fixed for different substances or every substance, like for water, for carbon dioxide, for hydrogen, for nitrogen. For every type of substance, student, it is constant. And what is its value? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Third question is calculate the number of atoms present in 24 gram of helium. 24 gram of helium. Third question is 24 gram helium. We have to find the number of atoms. Formula is W upon M into Avogadro number. W is here 24 gram. 24 upon M. Molar mass is here 4 for helium into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. That is our Avogadro number. So what is the answer? That is 36.1 36 point by this formula you can easily calculate the number of the atoms, students. What are the amount of atom present in the 24 gram of helium? That is equals to our 36 point 36.132 into 10 raised to power 23. This is our answer. Okay. The number of atom in 24 gram helium is 36.132 into 10 raised to power 23. Let's move on to the fourth question. Fourth one is calculate the mass of atoms present in 0.45 moles of nitrogen. 0.5 moles of nitrogen. We have to calculate 0.5 moles of nitrogen. Okay. So number of moles is here 0.5 and molar mass is here for nitrogen, that is 2 into 14 equals to 28 gram. We have to calculate the W, that is given mass. The formula of given mass is N multiply M. N is here 0.5 and M is here 28. So our W is 7U. This is our fourth question. Got it? We have to calculate the mass of 0.5 moles of nitrogen. This is 7U. Next and last question is our calculate the number of moles in 36 gram of water. 36 gram of water. 36 gram water. So students, here W is given 36 gram. And for M we have to calculate the molecular mass of H2O. For H it is at 1 into 2 plus for oxygen it is 16. So total is our 18. We have to calculate the number of moles, that is W upon M. W is here 36 and M is here 18. So the number of moles 2 mole. Okay, 2 mole. This is our answer of the last question. I think this worksheet is clear up to you, and if you like this worksheet, please like and share and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get the first notification up to you. Thank you.